Okay, so right now, as you can see, I have the stocking cap on. I did not glue it down yet. I'm just putting some foundation powder on the stocking cap so it can match your skin tone. But later on in the video, you can see that it's a little bit too light. So I told her go to the store and get some foundation as her skin tone. Because I'm a little bit lighter than her, and that's what I would use for me. So yes, that's why you can see later on in the video it gets like a little bit lighter. Like it's, I don't know if it was the ring light, I don't know what it was, but right now I'm just using some got to be um glue, and I'm putting 2 layers on, and I'm going to blow.
Is everything okay?
This fucking lace, put your head up.
Honey, you alright?
Folks thinks you're about to be arrested.
You go ahead and put it on the front because I can't
Good,
fucking.
let me just see that.
Oh, I got it, I got it. It's secure.
A couple days ago.
It feels secure.
And you're just not bringing
I had our hands
Squeeze my
full.
fucking meat on my
it up. Did he
head.
care to
That's what the fuck
share how
it
he
is.
came to this conclusion, or are you just gonna blurt it
It doesn't
out?
matter how if he's right.
Okay, so right here, as you can see, I have wet the hair, and she has deep wave hair, and I wet the hair, and I'm just brushing it from, I should have started from the ends and worked my way to the top, but I guess I'm just starting from the top and working my way to the ends. And as you can see, it blends in very well with her skin tone. I'm going to insert some pictures, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so as y'all can see, y'all, the key to a flat wig is to get a hot comb and press through the lace so that the hair can lay flat. And so with this one, she can do a middle part, she can do a side part, half up, half down. I really love these closures and these wigs I be making, y'all. I really do my shit. But can y'all see? Can y'all see?